Welcome back to quantreef.com. Ether's trading around 24.29, sitting right in a tight pocket between session value and a key 1-hour swing low. We'll walk through liquidity, support and resistance, VWAP, Fibonacci, fair value gaps, positioning, and where this likely goes over the next several hours. Price is at 24.29 and the trend layer reads strong at 80.9, so structure still favors buyers on the higher timeframe. But price is trading below session VWAP at 24.53 and below both the anchored VWAP from the high at 24.66 and the anchored VWAP from the low at 24.38. Those two are far enough apart to treat as separate references. Being under all three means it's currently accepting below value, a short-term caution flag inside a bullish structure. Liquidation data isn't clean enough to call specific walls right now, so I'll lean on the visible structure instead. What we do know is stop hunt risk is flagged high on this chart, meaning thin pockets above and below price are the kind of spots that get swept quickly before any real move develops. That tells you to expect a fast poke through either the swing low or the target above before the actual direction confirms. On the panel, resistance above is stacked at target 125.30, target 227.45.49, and target 327.94.55. Support below sits at the 1H swing low 24.05.43, then the stop loss level at 23.93.75. Given price is already below VWAP, that swing low is the more likely first test. A clean break there invalidates the near-term bullish read and opens the stop level beneath it. Above price there's an unfilled 4-hour bearish fair value gap between 24.41 and 24.91, only about 1.5% away. That's a realistic magnet given how often these get revisited. Below, the nearest gap is a daily bullish one between 23.60 and 23.85. On Fibonacci, price sits inside the retracement right at the 0.786 level near 24.16, less than 1% away, acting as the key support in play. I'd expect price to react to that fib and the swing low before it reaches for the FVG above. The card grades this neutral, with N at 83 and HTS at 62, decent readiness but not quite a green light. Volume and liquidity at 87 and trend and structure at 81 are carrying the score, while statistical volatility at 37 and macro regime at 50 are dragging it down. The 4-hour taker split is almost even, 49.1% long against 50.9 short, meaning neither side is heavily offside yet. This is a coin flip crowd right now. Given price sits below all three VWAPs but inside a strong daily uptrend, the more likely first move is a dip into the 24.05 swing low and the 0.786 fib near 24.16, sweeping any stops resting just under there. If buyers defend that zone, the bear FVG near 24.41 to 24.91 becomes the next magnet, and target 1 at 25.30 comes into view. If sellers break it, 23.93 and the daily FVG near 23.60 to 23.85 open up. Remember, ETH still largely tracks Bitcoin's own liquidity flow, so check Bitcoin structure before leaning either way here. A Bitcoin sweep can override a clean ETH setup entirely. Bullish case confirms on a defended swing low and reclaim of session VWAP, bearish case confirms on a clean break of 23.93. So ETH is sitting right at a decision point, and whichever side takes the next liquidity pool likely dictates the next real leg. If this kind of structure and probability read is useful, give the video a like and subscribe. Quantreef.com runs this same 9-layer grade, probability and liquidity breakdown across 100+ coins, with a 7-day trial if you want to dig deeper. This is for educational purposes only, not financial advice.